Welcome to Drawing with Callie. This is how to draw a Pokeball with a Pokemon inside it. I'll show you two Pokemon that you can draw inside the Pokeball when you're done in the next episode. So first you do that and then crease it on the sides, but not all the way. Like that, and do it on the other side. Like that. And then now fold up to that line. So now you have to draw a Pokeball. Let's draw a circle. And then draw this line straight, then the next line, that. And draw a circle like that. And draw that inside it. Then draw a smaller circle. And now that's the Pokeball, and you open it up like that. And I'll draw the Pokemon in the next video. Let's color. And that's how to draw the Pokeball, but next video I'll show you how to draw the Pokemon inside.